50% of small businesses will fail within their first 5 years. It comes down to one or a combination of three things. One, they overestimated the need for their product or service. Two, they ran out of money before they could get traction in the market. Or three, they failed to make a meaningful connection with their customers. I can't help you with the first two, but I can show you how to make meaningful connections with your customers that will inspire them to buy from you and keep buying from you, guaranteeing the success of your small business. I'm David Tyler. I've been working with small businesses now for more than 10 years. And the first question I ask when I'm contacted by small business owners looking for my help is, what do you do? What do you do? Knowing the correct answer to that question is the core to building a marketing system that will connect with your customers. And their first answer is usually wrong. No, you don't make pizza, you create time for families to spend together. And no, you don't sell flowers, you help people say what words can't. Understanding what you do from your customer's point of view is the secret key to start making meaningful connections and creating loyalty from your customers. The kind of loyalty that will get you through this pandemic, not just survive, but flourish. If you're ready to learn how to create outrageous success for your small business, join me for my live online course starting on February 22nd. There's a limited number of virtual seats, so don't wait. Plus, there's the early bird pricing. We'll spend 3 consecutive Tuesday evenings together building a custom marketing system for your business. Click the link and register for the course now. 2022 is going to have many challenges for your business. Just because we're in a pandemic, it doesn't mean you can't grow your business. And I am going to show you how.